Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's Blake. Today I'm going thrifting. I'm pretty excited. I don't necessarily need like a lot of new clothes. I actually really need to clean out my closet because I don't have any space. But that's neither here nor there. So today I think I'm just gonna be looking for some jeans. I really want denim, maybe some t-shirts. But yeah, I'm gonna be kind of picky today because one, I'm pretty sure we won't be able to try things on, and two, I don't want a lot of things that I'm not gonna end up wearing. You know, I want to be more cautious of that because normally in the past I would thrift to DIY and like I would like, oh, I can alter this or I can turn this into this, but I think I need to start thrifting to like put on immediately. Like after I wash it, I can just wear it. I think that's pretty much it. I'm ready to go, so we're gonna go ahead and head out. So this is today's outfit. I just have on this hoodie from Jael label, a white crop top from Urban Outfitters, biker shorts from Naked Wardrobe, and my Air Force Ones, and then my little Kinkin mini sling bag. So yes, I'm excited.
Start choosing.
so we're back home. It's the next day. The men's section at that thrift store I really like. They have lots of jeans, t-shirts, and men's shirts and like blazers. So they have like a rack full, actually it's like 2 racks of like dress shirts, short sleeves and long sleeves. So I usually always find a lot of like plaid shirts, flannels and stuff. So I really like that thrift store. I was not able to try on the jeans that I picked, and I was a little nervous because I didn't want to waste money. Especially I decided to splurge on a pair that were expensive because that thrift store knows the worth. Many of them do now. They know the worth of their clothes, and like if it's a name brand, they'll mark it up. But I tried them on this morning after I washed them, and they worked out. Everything worked out. So let me go ahead and show y'all. I start with this bag. You guys probably saw me going through the bag section. I don't know if I got any footage from there, but I thought this was like a really cute piece. So it is a black, it looks to be like patent leather with gold hardware little handbag by Christian Siriano. I looked him up and he actually was like on Project Runway, and he's a well-known designer. So I thought that was really cool, and I got this for $4.99. So I thought this was really cute. It's like a little flattened, but I'll put stuff in. But you just undo the latch and then it opens. The inside looks really good. It's got like a stripe and it's not really dirty or anything. So this was really cute. It was in really good condition and I can't wait to wear it. I feel like it's like a nice little shoulder bag, and shoulder bags are very popular right now. So this is a great addition to all of my bags. I was able to find some flannels that I really liked. So I am like a flannel wearer, and I have just gone through lots. I buy them, then redonate them, buy them, redonate them. So now I'm trying to rebuild my collection, and I've been looking for some of the colors that like I just haven't seen. Like I'm still on the market for like a black, gray one, and just like a full-on tan one. But today, or this trip, I was able to find this green, navy blue, and white, like off-white. I really like this pattern, as well as this shade of green. I really like this shade of green in like things. I feel like it looks kind of like fancy. It looks like, I don't know, expensive. Like this is an expensive color green, if you know what I mean. I'm not really sure if that makes sense. But this is an Ember Combi and Fitch. I'm not sure. This is like an old label, I think. I'm not sure if it's recent or not. Either way, I still really like it. And it's an extra large. So I paid $5.99 for this. And it's like a medium weight one. It's not too thin. I've learned I don't like the really thin ones. Like thin plaid shirts, they just don't fall right with the looks. And so this is like a nice weight one to wear in the warmer weather as well. It's not a true flannel material, but it's not too thin. So yeah, I really like the fit of this. It looks really good on top of clothes, and it just kind of like falls nicely how I like my button-up shirts to fall. So I'm really happy about this. I was thinking earlier, in a lot of ways my style hasn't changed much. I kind of just like found one and I've been sticking with it. So like denim and flannels I've been wearing since maybe 13, like 12 or 13, once I started like getting into style and I first started thrifting. So I used to wear cutoff shirts were my favorite. I would go get the jeans and then cut them off, and I just love that so much. I don't wear the cutoff shorts as much, but I do still really love denim. So, and of course flannels. It's just like an easygoing outfit. I love it. And this next one is a red and black color flannel plaid shirt, and this is by the brand Wrangler, and I think this is a size, I don't know what size this is. I got this one for $3.99. Actually it was on purple tag, so that was 50% off, so I got it for about $2. And I really like this color. I originally was looking, I got this red one to match the Jordan 1s that I recently got, but the green, I mean not the green, but the red doesn't really match in the way that I wanted it to. But I think that red and gray will look really good with this green one, so I'll probably pair that together once. This one is a lighter material. It's kind of that thinner one, but it's still a little heavy, and it actually looks really nice on. Both of these fit really nicely. Sometimes men's shirt can be like really narrow and they don't fit right, or they can be like short so it doesn't give like the oversized look on me because I'm taller. So I really like this one, and I think this would be a nice addition. I'm being more conscious of like the colors that I have, so I can have like a nice collection of flannels that I can have like match a lot of different stuff. So all right, so here's the exciting part. So like I said, the jeans section was really nice yesterday, so I was able to find some really nice pair of jeans. I got this light wash jean, and these are actually Levi's. This thrift store has a lot of Levi's. Like all the times that I've gone in there, they always have Levi. So these are Levi 550, and I'm 5'10", and this length is a 32, and I would say anything shorter than that would be like really too short. So they hit like right where like my ankle, like foot, like it's not really like an ankle length. They hit like right at the foot, so they don't drag or anything. So I would say they're like the perfect length, but I wouldn't mind something longer. But yeah, they're in great condition. This is like a heavier, compared to the other Levi jeans, this is a heavier weight denim, so I'm thinking these might be a little bit more older, original, or like vintage than the other ones. And it reflected on the price of these. They priced these at $15.99, but I decided to go for them because I just really liked the wash. Amber alert. I really like this color. This is something that I've been looking for so much, like a light pair of jeans. I feel like it should be a staple in your closet, and I just didn't have any, and I haven't been able to find good ones that I really like from stores like in the mall and stuff. So I'm so happy that I was able to thrift a pair and they just look so good. They're not like any stains or anything. They fit really nicely. If you're wondering, this is a waist 40, length 32. So very happy about these. The ankle is like it's like a straight leg. It doesn't taper too much, but it doesn't really flare out. So these are really like a nice pair of jeans. And lastly, I think this is probably the most like ultimate like thrift store experience you want when you find something really nice for really cheap. So I got this medium wash jean for they don't have a brand name on them, and I think that's why they were priced so low, but they were only $1.98 or $2.98. $1 or $2.98. Yeah, they were $1.98, so I got them for less than $2, and it's a really nice pair of jeans. Like they're really nice, heavy denim. Yeah, these are 38 waist and a 29 length, and that's why these are like actually really short on me. I'm 5'10", and they come way above my ankle, so that's the only downside to these. But ankle jeans like are cool too, so I think I can do something nice with these. Otherwise they still fit really nice. They remind me of a pair of Zara jeans that I got that are actually men's jeans from Zara, but I didn't know that. I think they were like misplaced, but I ended up really liking those jeans, and this color and fit really reminds me. They taper at the leg a little bit more than the Levi ones. I mentioned in the beginning of the video I was looking for jeans to maybe paint or distress or something like that, but the Levi's that I found are like way too perfect, and maybe, I'm not sure. And then I'm not sure exactly what I want to do to the darker pair that I got, so I was going to DIY them in this video, but I'm just not sure about that yet. And I also have some other denim things that I want to DIY, so I figured I'd just make a whole DIY denim video, just doing different stuff to all the denim that I have. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know, and I'll definitely do that. I'm gonna do it anyway, so just let me know if I need to film it. All in all, I spent $25.82. I've had some points, like they have a rewards program, so I had some points, and that took $5 off, so I think it was about like $32 or so. I spent $25. I think that's like a really successful trip to me, because sometimes I've spent like $60 and I've gotten like a lot of stuff, but ended up just not wearing all of it, or it just didn't work out. But yeah, I think the next time I go I might try to do like the $20 thrift challenge or something like that. I know this was just like a few items, there are only 5 items, but I figured I can do these videos more often if I keep the hauls small. And yeah, hopefully it was still interesting, and I'll still like try them on for y'all so you can see what the items look like. And then I'll do my DIY videos separately, so I have like thrift with me's and then thrift flips. So stay tuned for the denim thrift flip if you guys want to see that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.